This first sewing pattern is the Angie Tank by Liddy Naomi, and it is a great beginner sewing pattern because essentially there's only two pieces, the front and the back. The pattern also comes with a video tutorial, and it comes in a wide range of sizes. And if you go to the hashtag on Instagram, you can see some of the different prints and patterns that people have used to make the top. And there's also some written instructions about how to go about printing it on the website, and it's definitely a great starting point. This pattern is for the Costa Tote Bag, and what I really love about this is that it's not the typical tote bag as seen by like the pockets in the front and that sort of slanted style that it has. It's really like a unique twist on something that's very basic, and the pattern itself is pretty simple. So I definitely recommend trying this pattern. This pattern is from Sew Easy, and it's a bralette pattern. And the site says that it is a nice summer undergarment, but to be honest, like if you used a different type of fabric, you probably could get away with wearing it as like a regular crop top. Like for example, if you use like a nice like satin style type of fabric. This next pattern is by Ellie and Mac, and it is a headband pattern, but it could also be worn as an ear warmer. And this is probably the fastest and easiest beginner sewing pattern. And the other cool thing about it is that it has the option to add buttons on the side. So if you still wear a mask, then you can kind of clasp the string of your mask around the buttons. So that way you don't have to like take off your headband in order to wear a mask with this. And it ranges in sizes from newborn up to adult, which is a pretty like wide range, and there is a video tutorial on it on YouTube. This next pattern is for a detachable collar, and it also comes with a YouTube tutorial on how to assemble the pattern and how to just make the collar in general. I really like how the website mentions the different variations. For example, if you don't want to include ruffles, or if you want to use like different fabrics, or you don't want the ribbon. It's very like flexible in terms of styling. So I definitely would give this one a try. And they also have an Instagram hashtag where you can see the collars that other people have made to just get some inspiration. And it's just really cute and funky. This pattern is the Etty Camisole sewing pattern by Tammy Handmade, and it comes in sizes 6 to 24. It also has an Instagram hashtag where you can see the different types of fabric that people have used to make their top. And you can see that some people used the scallop edge and other people just opted for a straight like V-neck type of neckline. So I think that this one is really cool and cute. And the other great thing about it is that you can wear it in the summer, but you can also wear it in the winter if you layer it on top of like, I don't know, a turtleneck or a long sleeve shirt. The website gives fabric recommendations, and it also mentions sizing and how the top is designed to have a looser fit, and it also breaks down the bust, waist, and hip measurements for each of the sizes. And yeah, it's just a really great pattern to check out. This is the wide strap maxi dress by Peppermint, and it has an elasticated back as well as side pockets. Gotta love a dress with side pockets, right? And it also has a slit on both sides. And there is also a hashtag for this dress on Instagram if you want to take a look at the different fabrics and variations to the patterns that people have used for this dress. It's definitely a great like lookbook to check out that Instagram hashtag for it. And the website also features the size chart for the dress in case you're wondering which size is best for you. And overall, this just looks like a super comfy dress that again could go well in the summer as well as in the winter and like the colder seasons if you just layer it with a long sleeve shirt or a jacket or a sweater. This is the Sabina Skirt pattern, and it comes with PDF instructions as well as drawings and detailed written explanations. And it also has a layered PDF so that you can print just one size at a time instead of like printing all of the sizes and having to like decide which lines to follow. And it's pretty straightforward. It's basically 2 pieces. And it also comes with recommendations about which fabrics to use, and it also has advice about how to style the skirt. And yeah, it's a pretty straightforward skirt. So definitely recommend that you check it out. This is the George and Ginger lounge gown pattern. And I really love this pattern because even though it's supposed to be worn as a bathing suit cover up, personally, I would just wear this as like a regular dress. And I just want to point out that I love that this site offers interest-free installments for their patterns, obviously assuming that you're paying over $50 for whatever's in your cart. But I really love that. I don't think I've seen that on any other sites that offer sewing patterns. And on the website, you can see how different people's dresses have came out using this pattern. This is the Playsuit pattern by Peppermint, and this is a super cute one. It is ranked as a confident beginner sewing level. And it features 2 front pockets, and then it has a tie strap. This pattern is a pay what you want pattern, so if you don't want to pay anything, then it's absolutely free, but you can choose how much you would like to donate. And I think it's really cool because you could also make it a winter or cold weather friendly version by just extending the lines so that they are full pant leg length, and you can wear it during colder winter months. This pattern or that pattern, which of these patterns is your favorite? Which one do you think you're going to give a try first? Which one are you looking forward to making? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, ciao.